What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Dad Does Videos. Thank you for joining us today. We are in the kitchen and we have a double oven. I'm going to show you how we're going to clean the inside glass of that top oven with this. This is a finished Powerball. We typically use this in our dishwasher, but you can surprisingly use it to clean the inside glass of your oven. Let's get into it. All right, so as you can see here, we have our bowl of hot tap water off to the side. We've got our unwrapped Finish Powerball tablet. And this little red, the little red kind of ball type thing just pops out. We're just gonna drop that in here. And then what we're going to do is just dip this in the water with the white side down. As you can see, the little fizzing here, the red Powerball is going to kind of add some extra goodness to our mix here. I'm not gonna wait that long though. I'm just gonna start to dip this in and get to work and gently start to scrub away this gunk that has been here for years and years and years. I'm embarrassed to say that we haven't cleaned the inside of our oven in quite a while, if ever. So I've seen some other people do this on YouTube and they've had some moderate success with it. So I thought I'd give it a shot as well and share the video with you guys. And as you can see here, you do want to be gentle. You can see my my tablet started to break up right in the middle of our video, but that's okay. Just kind of keep going ahead. Keep doing your thing. Now it's taking a little bit more time than I had anticipated, but you could see there's a little bit of a difference here that we're starting to see from this side of the oven to the part compared to the part that I've been working on. So we're just gonna keep going and keep dipping our, hopefully I don't lose it in there, keep dipping our tablet in the bowl to re-wet it. And just keep working back and forth. Eventually you'll have this wet enough that I think the powers of the cleaning solution will do their magic, as it's getting a little bit easier the longer I go here. And again, I'm not pushing hard, I'm just going back over places that I've been. I think the water needs time to kind of seep in, mix with the solution in the tablet to do its work. You can see we have a really nice clean space right there. Alright, so we've got a pretty good job so far here. There's some little spots we have to clean up, but we're going to move our bowl over and try to knock out this side now. As you can see, my tablet's falling apart. We still have a couple pieces left, so we're just going to keep going. You just have to be persistent. Take your time. But the grease will eventually come off. All right, we're starting to make some pretty good headway here on this other side as the water and the tablet have kind of started to mix together a little bit better. Tablet's starting to fall apart here even more, which is fine. Still gets the job done. And if you're wondering where we're trying this, if you've ever tried to clean the inside of your oven door before, it's hard. You can't just spray Windex in there or some Lysol or something like that. All this stuff that's been kind of baked on, cooked on gunk over years and years, typically for people, that doesn't come off with your kind of everyday house cleaners. So that's why this is such a cool thing that actually works. And you know, it takes a little elbow grease, but as you can see here, we actually do make progress with this. And it's way more progress than I've ever had any luck with your other cleaners. And the other alternative is if you have an oven with a self-cleaning option, you could certainly try that, but I don't know if you guys have ever tried that, but it makes it feel like your house is just going to blow up. The oven gets super hot, the smell is super weird, it makes me really uncomfortable, I just don't like it and I don't trust it. So that is why we do something like this. As you can see here, it's been about 15 minutes. This has worked pretty well. The hardest part is mixing in and getting started and having the patience to keep going when you think, I don't know if this is gonna work. But I've had the camera on this whole time, and as you can see, our tablet has fallen apart as we've gone, which is perfectly fine. The hardest part is getting in these sides, and I'm not sure how well we're actually gonna get in and finish the sides where the glass kind of meets the metal of the oven. But we'll see what it looks like. Work on this for a few minutes longer and start to clean this up a bit. But this has made a drastic improvement on our oven. Just trying to get some of these portions right by the sides of the glass a little cleaner, even though I'm way more than happy with this, the way this is turning out right now. Alright, I think it's about as good as it's going to get along the sides. So, give it one last shot. Yeah, my piece is going to start to break up even more. We're going to clean this up. Alright, let's get this out of the way. Get some paper towels. Look at that. Way better than we first started. And I just have some hot water on this paper towel that I'm using right now to remove all the soap and dirt on the glass and around the glass. I don't know if it comes in on the camera, but there's just a little faint line right on the edge of where the glass meets the metal of the oven, that there's still a little grease. I mean, it looks like we missed a spot right here, but compared to where we started and what it looked like, this is a heck of a lot better. So I'm just going to continue to wipe this down. Yep, just a couple little spots that we missed in here, but by and large, a ton better than what this looked like before. Finish this off, just spray a little Windex in there. And that is it, my friends. Thank you for watching. Hope you have the same success.